Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to STEAM Education. I am your teacher Aisha और हम पढ़ रहे हैं English. तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं that we are doing the English book for 3+ years and it's time to start our last letter. The name of the last letter is letter Z and the sound is Z. लेटर Z से बहुत सी चीजें स्टार्ट होती हैं. एक पैटर्न स्टार्ट होता है लेटर Z से, zigzag पैटर्न. दिस वन अप एंड डाउन, अप एंड डाउन, अप एंड डाउन. और ये zigzag पैटर्न हमारे बहुत से अल्फाबेट्स का हिस्सा है, जैसे V के और W के. यस, तो लेटर Z से हम एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी सुनने लगे हैं जो कि शुरू होती है जू में. सो लेट्स क्विकली गेट स्टार्टेड. तो स्टोरी स्टार्ट होती है हमारे फ्रेंड अली के साथ एंड अली ने जिद की अपने पापा से जाने की ज़ू. So on the weekend, Ali's father took Ali, his sister and his mother to the zoo. And as you know, my dear kids, zoo is a place where there are a lot of animals. When they went to the zoo, they saw a big giraffe having the long neck. They also saw some naughty monkeys climbing the trees. Then they saw a scary lion roaring and the bears which are playing with each other as well. Then they saw a very different animal having white and black stripes, and that is zebra. It was a very calm animal and zebra was eating grass. So Ali and his sister Sarah enjoyed this trip a lot. और फिर वो वापस आ गए अपने घर में क्योंकि वो बहुत थक चुके थे. तो हम जल्दी से चलते हैं अपने बुक के पेज की तरफ. Here it's letter Z and place the tip of the tongue close to the ridge behind your top front teeth and make a buzzing sound too, like zzz, zzz. Yes, don't elongate the sound. आपने sound को बहुत लंबा नहीं करना. And here is the zebra at the zoo. There are some more words starting with this letter zip. As you all know, our bags has zips, our jackets has zips, right? We use it to open and close something. Then zebra, here again the black and white striped animal. And here is the zoo. On the next page it is written color say and trace the letter Z. यहाँ पे आपने letter Z को बहुत nicely color करना है. Then trace it with your finger over here, letter Z. And now you are going to design this zebra using the black color and making black and white stripes. Moving on, trace and write. Let's practice the formation of letter Z. Do the air writing with me. Or you can write on your wrist as well. So letter Z is made in one go. आपने pencil को नहीं उठाना. Make a sleeping line, a slanting line and a sleeping line again. And this way you are going to trace these letter Z's and do the writing practice or letter Z over here in these lines as well. And don't forget that letter Z is a grass letter. Moving on, there are some reinforcement pages with letter Z as well. Color and write the given letters. यहाँ पे आपने letter Y और letter Z को बहुत अच्छा color करना है और फिर उनको आपने in lines में लिखना भी है. Color the picture that begins with letter Y. Here, yacht starts with letter Y because this is van. It is not the friend of letter Y. Match the letters with the pictures. Y, yo-yo and yak. And zebra and zero. Look at the pictures and circle the correct letter for each. This is yarn, so encircle Y, and this is zip, so encircle Z. Look at the pictures and write the initial letter for each. This is yo-yo, write Y, and this is zero, write Z. Now, as you know, my dear kids, we are done with all the letters. Here you are going to write the missing letters. Some letters are over here and just write the missing ones. A, then B is missing. C, D, then E is missing, and so on. There is a checklist. Can the child recognize the sounds of Y and Z? Can the child say the sounds of Y and Z? Can the child recognize the letters Y and Z? And can the child read the letters Y and Z? Can the child write the letters Y and Z on their own? On the next page, it is a review. Read and tick the correct picture. Apple, yes, and circle a big juicy red apple over here. A umbrella, and circle umbrella, and yak, and circle yak. Now look at each picture and circle the correct letter and write in the blank space. This is a ant, and circle A and write over here. This is D, dog, and circle D and write over here. H, hen, over here, and M, monkey, over here. And same goes with the last two. Here, read and say aloud. Let's read the letters together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Very nice, my dear kids. Now, on the next page, you are going to write the missing letters. Some letters are over here. You are going to do the tracing of these letters and then write the missing letters over here. On the next page, this is written sky letters. Sky letters वो letters होते हैं that begin from the top line of 4-lined row and going down to the third line, जिसको हम first class line भी कहते हैं. The sky letters are small b, D, F, H, K, L, and T. Yes, and you are going to do the tracing very nicely. Then we have some grass letters और वो दरमियान वाली दो lines में जिनको हम grass lines कहते हैं उधर आते हैं. The grass letters are A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X and Z. And now comes the root letters जिनको बार बार मैंने आपको point out किया है बताते हुए कि ये वो letters हैं जो second cross line से शुरू होते हैं and they go towards the root line जो कि सबसे आखिरी line है. So some root letters are G, J, P, Q and Y. Moving on, it's a very interesting game, my dear kids. आपने help करनी है इस B को to find the flower by following the letters A to Z. जहाँ पे ये letters order में हैं, जैसे यहाँ से हम शुरू करेंगे A, B, C, D, E, F, G और रास्ता बनाते जाएंगे till the letter Z and then the bee will find out this beautiful flower. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये था हमारा आज का लेसन लेटर जी के बारे में. आई होप आपने लेटर जी से नई नई चीज़ें सीखी होंगी और बहुत सी चीज़ों को इसके साथ रिलेट किया होगा. बी की क्या साउंड होती है? बज बज. सो हियर यू कैन सी दैट लेटर्स एंड साउंड्स come in the sounds of different things as well. तो आप letters को बहुत सी चीज़ों के साथ relate कर सकते हैं. Don't just confine them to the vocabulary given in the book. Look around and the world is vast. आज हमने letters ख़त्म कर लिए हैं, हमने तमाम letters की sound सीख ली है. It means कि हम कोई भी word बना सकते हैं, सीख सकते हैं और find out कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि एक word है amaze. Here Z is coming at the end. So I am feeling amazed today because we are done with all of our letters and we are done with this book as well. मैंने तो ये बुक बहुत enjoy की है. इसमें बहुत सी नई नई चीज़ें थी, बहुत सी interesting activities थी. I hope आपने भी बहुत सी चीज़ें सीखी होंगी and it's time to apply them as well. Now start making some 3-letter words. Yes, I know you can do it. तो I am your teacher, teacher Aisha. Signing off. हम फिर मिलेंगे एक नई बुक के साथ और कुछ नई चीज़ों के साथ. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.